Okay, y'all, so here I am just cutting off the ears for the cap. I already went in and laid it down with Got2b glue, so here I'm just going in with a little bit more glue. But yeah, just fixing it up. So I kind of did it like off camera, but here I'm just going in and drying it. Okay, so now I am about to cut the lace off. And so it's pretty self-explanatory. I just take the scissors, cut in the middle, and then I'm going to use the scissors to just cut the right side first, and then I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. And then for this section, I just went in and cut the extra lace because I didn't cut enough. And then so for this part, I am going in with my foundation. So I use Fit Me 370, I believe. I use that on the cap, and then I go in with my Fit Me 360 to do the actual cap on the wig. And I do this only because I feel that it matches my skin tone better than just using like one foundation, which is the 360 on both the cap and the wig. So it just works for me. Okay, so then now I am about to apply my glue. I just used some glue from the hair store. I don't know the name of it, but when I do this part, I go in with 3 layers, and I used to only do 2, but I found that it lasts longer when I do 3. So this is me just laying it with the comb. I try to push it upwards, but then I just ended up doing upwards and downwards, so you'll see me doing some of both. But yeah. And then so here I am just making sure I dry the glue. You want to make sure that you dry the glue for about 30 minutes. Some glue dries quicker than that, but this glue takes a while to dry. So you want to make sure you go in and dry the glue, and you'll know that it's dry when it turns white. Okay, so right here, y'all, you see me laying the lace, and it's still a little white, but I dried it as much as I could, and I'm kind of impatient when it comes to drying the glue, so I just went ahead and did it. But let me tell y'all, I had to finesse this wig. Remind you, I have installed this wig so many times. Half of the lace is going on the other side, so y'all are gonna see that. But yes, like I really had to finesse this wig, so bear with me. All right, y'all, so the lace is laid, and I like to go in with look at my face. I like to go in with ebony and just go in with that just to give it that extra hold. I'm telling y'all, Evan will do it. But the lace, to me, it looks fine, but also, like I said, I have reinstalled this wig so many times, y'all, so I definitely finessed it. But I'm just going in with my elastic band just to give it that extra hold, and I probably kept this on there for about 20 minutes. Okay, and then here I'm just going in with my blow dryer, just making sure it is dry because I did wash this wig the night before, so I just want to go in and make sure that it is dry before I flat iron it. Okay, and then here I'm just flat ironing it, and what I do is to flat iron it, I just take a comb and I just comb through while I am flat ironing it. Also, my hot comb broke, so I did not add that part in here, but I did go in and hot comb my hair after I flat ironed it. Okay, and then for this part, I am just brushing out hairs to do my baby hairs. Okay, and then here I am going in with spritz, and I dropped it on myself, but I'm going in with spritz to lay my edges. I used to lay my edges with got to be glue, but spritz just worked better for me. But yeah. So right here, I'm just going in and cutting the baby hairs that I felt like was too long. Just because I don't like for my baby hairs to like really touch my eyebrows. I like it to be a little bit above the eyebrows. Okay, y'all, so here you just see me going in, and I'm still like trying to make sure that the baby hairs is how I want it, but I did not fix my part on camera. I did that off camera, so I'm sorry that is not uploaded in here, but I usually take concealer and I just go in with the concealer and do my part, so that will be in my next video, but I'm sorry I didn't upload it here. This is the finished product. This is an Amazon wig that I done had for like, how long have I had this one? I done had this wig for like 3 months, and it was super hard trying to like finesse it, but I think I did it. I think I got it. It looked cute. But yeah, so this is the final product. I kind of feel like my line is a little bit off, but I finessed